Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Dibs AI account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myorthoselect.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for OrthoSelect or Dibs AI. Now in order to delete your account, you can continue with logging in first by clicking on the login button, or you can skip this for now and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now once you make it all the way to the bottom, go ahead and click on Contact Us. Within the Contact Us section, you will be able to find the support email address for Dibs AI, as well as the phone number that you can directly call in order to speak one-on-one with a representative. Go ahead and choose whichever option is suitable for you and either call or send an email. If you choose to send an email, simply paste the email address for the support team in your To section, and in the subject, just go ahead and type in Delete my account. Then within the main body, just go ahead and type in that you wish for your account to be deleted with Dibs AI, and then go ahead and send your email. Once your email has been sent, you might need to wait for a day or two until your email receives a response. Now once you receive your response, you can simply follow through the instructions within the email and you will be able to proceed with deleting your account. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account with Dibs AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.